In this video, I'll show you how to delete a page in Microsoft OneNote. Removing pages you no longer need is an easy way to keep your notebooks clean and easier to navigate, and OneNote also gives you a safety net if you change your mind. Let's start with OneNote on Windows using the desktop app. Open the notebook that contains the page you want to delete, then go into the section where that page lives. In the page list, find the page name and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Delete Page. The page disappears from the section right away, but it's not permanently erased yet. OneNote automatically moves deleted pages to the notebook recycle bin, so you can restore them later if needed. If you're using OneNote in a web browser, the steps are almost identical. Open your notebook online and navigate to the section that contains the page. In the page list, right-click the page name on a PC or control-click on a Mac, then choose Delete Page. Just like the desktop app, the page is removed from view and placed in deleted notes or the recycle bin for that notebook. A few quick things to keep in mind. Always double-check the page title before deleting, especially if you have pages with similar names. Deletions sync across devices, so if you delete a page on one device, it disappears everywhere you're signed in. And remember, deleting a page is different from deleting a section or an entire notebook, so make sure you're right-clicking the page name itself. That's it. Open the notebook, find the page, right-click it, and choose Delete Page. OneNote keeps a backup in the recycle bin, so you can clean up your notes confidently without worrying about losing something by accident.